Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a tryout, and a review on the Powerpuff Girls. With that being said, let's get started. First, we have the Powerpuff Girls Cartoon Network XX Revolution Beauty London. And this is Buttercup, and this is an eyeshadow palette. It says Powerpuff Girls Buttercup Palette. We have Cartoon Network, the Powerpuff Girls, and this is Colourpop, and it's called Fighting Crime, and it's pressed powder blush. Let's go ahead and open them. That's cute, and you can feel little figures of each one of them. Magnetic closure, and I see a protective film, and I see a mirror. This has the tabbies on the side, and this one you can also feel the figure of Buttercup. Magnetic closure for sure. It does have a protective film, but it does not have a mirror. Buttercup right there, and 3 of the eyeshadows. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Wow. This is definitely very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I like the blush a lot. You do have to go little by little because it is very pigmented and it shows up a lot. So go little by little and build it up as much as you want. But if you go and put a lot, just like I did, get your beauty blender and blend it out a little bit, you should be good. The colors of the eyeshadow palette are really pretty. I really like them, especially the vibrant green. I do like these products a lot. I mean, if you have the money, the time, and if you like how they look, go ahead and do your own thing. Go purchase them if you want. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you my opinion on these products, and so far I like them. They're also inexpensive. I think this one was about $7 and this one was about $3. So this brings me to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.